Plant FAQs. Phormium Guardsman. What is Phormium Guardsman? Phormium Guardsman, also referred to as Guardsman Phormium, is a variety of Phormium tenax, New Zealand flax. This plant is prized for its dramatic, sword-like leaves, which are rich in deep red hues with striking maroon and pink edges. Native to New Zealand, Phormium Guardsman thrives in a wide range of climates and is especially known for its drought tolerance, which makes it a favorite among gardeners in various regions, including Australia, where it is often planted alongside Leucadendron jester for a complementary look. How to care for Phormium Guardsman. Phormium Guardsman maintenance is relatively simple, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. I've found that it does best in well-drained soil and thrives in full sun to partial shade. While it is drought-tolerant once established, I make sure to water it regularly during its first year to help the roots develop properly. Occasional watering during prolonged dry periods helps keep the plant looking vibrant, but generally, it's quite low maintenance. Fertilizing isn't a major requirement for the Phormium Guardsman plant, but I like to give it a boost in spring with a slow-release fertilizer. Pruning isn't necessary, but removing dead or damaged leaves helps maintain the plant's shape and health. Phormium Guardsman can grow up to 4 to 6 feet tall, so providing adequate space is essential. How to propagate Phormium Guardsman. Propagation of Phormium Guardsman is usually done through division, which is a method I've had success with. Early spring is the ideal time to divide the plant. Here's how I do it. Dig up the plant. Carefully dig around the base of the plant to lift it out of the ground. Divide the clump. Using a sharp spade or knife, divide the root ball into smaller sections, ensuring each section has roots and leaves. Replant. Replant the divided sections in well-prepared soil, keeping the crown just above the soil level. Water. Water the newly planted divisions thoroughly and continue to water regularly until established. This method not only allows you to propagate new plants, but also helps rejuvenate older plants. What to plant with Phormium Guardsman? When it comes to companion planting, Phormium Guardsman pairs beautifully with a variety of other plants. One of my favorite combinations is planting it alongside Leucadendron jester. The contrasting foliage colors and textures of these plants create a dynamic and visually appealing display. In addition, I've found that Phormium Guardsman works well with other drought-tolerant plants such as agave, euphorbia, and grasses like Festica glauca. These combinations thrive in similar conditions and create a cohesive, low-maintenance landscape. Is Phormium Guardsman suitable for container gardening? Absolutely. Although Phormium Guardsman can grow to a substantial size, it can also be successfully grown in large containers. I've seen it thrive in container gardens, where its bold foliage becomes a focal point. Just ensure the container is large enough to accommodate the plant's root system, and use a high-quality, well-draining potting mix. Regular watering is essential for container-grown Phormium, as soil in containers tends to dry out faster than in-ground planting. How does Phormium Guardsman perform in different climates? Phormium Guardsman is incredibly versatile and can adapt to a range of climates. I've found it to be quite hardy, tolerating temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius 14 degrees Fahrenheit once established. It performs exceptionally well in coastal areas, where salt spray can be an issue for other plants. In hotter climates, such as those in Australia, it stands up to the heat and dry conditions with ease, making it a popular choice for gardeners seeking drought-resistant plants. However, in areas with extreme cold, some winter protection may be necessary. Can Phormium Guardsman be used in landscaping? Yes, and it is one of my go-to choices for landscaping projects. The Phormium Guardsman plant is perfect for creating a dramatic effect in the garden. Its upright, spiky form adds architectural interest, while its bold color makes it a natural focal point. Whether used as a specimen plant, in mass plantings, or as part of a mixed border, Phormium Guardsman is sure to make a statement. I particularly enjoy using it in modern or Mediterranean-style gardens, where its form and color can be fully appreciated. Final thoughts on Phormium Guardsman. If you're looking for a plant that combines beauty, toughness, and versatility, Phormium Guardsman is an excellent choice. From its striking appearance to its ease of care, this plant has become a staple in my garden, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking to add some bold flair to their outdoor space. Whether you're in Australia or elsewhere, this New Zealand flax will thrive with minimal fuss and provide you with years of enjoyment.